In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you will feel more relaxed, more confident,
That's good.
and more ready to conquer your driving test anxiety.
Very good. And we'll get your speed up to 50 and we'll make a left lane change.
More relaxed.
Yeah, good lane change. Okay. At the traffic lights ahead, we're going to turn left.
Yeah, this I know this area a little bit more, so this is more in my comfort zone.
Yeah, you won't feel like such a fish out of water, eh?
Yeah, no, that's fair.
You know, in unfamiliar areas, it's like you have to be super careful too. You know, if I go out of town, go to a different city I'm not familiar with,
Yeah.
it's like really easy to make mistakes.
More confident.
And we're going to make a right lane change when you're ready and when it's safe. And we'll keep going straight at the lights.
More ready to conquer your driving test anxiety. 1. Feeling a sense of peace and tranquility washing over you.
So I'm just scanning the rear view mirror, keeping track of where things are in space.
Yep.
It's not too much traffic here right now for 3 o'clock.
Yeah, no kidding. Actually, it's not too
Should be more than this.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
At the lights, we're going to make a right turn.
2. Feeling a renewed sense of confidence and belief
Here you just treat
in
this,
yourself.
Red light just like you would a stop sign. Stopping at the line first before you proceed.
Yeah.
When it's safe. And they're facing a green arrow, so they get an advanced green. They get the right of way. We're just gonna go and we're just going down the road here. There's 2 minor intersections with stop signs, a little bit busier than others. Hopefully they're gonna be busy, so we'll just practice your rights of ways, like who gets to go first.
Okay.
And who is this? That is Leanne, I think.